Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious churros from home. First, let's gather our ingredients and equipment. You will need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a pinch of salt. For frying, have about 3 inches of vegetable oil ready. Don't forget a piping bag fitted with a star-shaped nozzle, a deep pot, and a slotted spoon for safety. Now let's make the dough. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a pinch of salt. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil. Once boiling, remove it from the heat and quickly add 1 cup of all-purpose flour all at once. Stir vigorously with a wooden spoon until a smooth, thick dough ball forms. Allow the dough to cool for about 5 minutes before transferring it to your piping bag. Next, it's time to fry our churros to golden perfection. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pipe 4 to 6-inch strips of dough directly into the hot oil, cutting them with kitchen shears. Fry the churros for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. Use a slotted spoon to remove them, and place them on a paper towel-lined plate to drain any excess oil. Finally, let's add the finishing touches. In a shallow dish, combine 1/2 cup of granulated sugar with 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. While the churros are still warm, roll them generously in this delicious cinnamon sugar mixture, ensuring they are fully coated. Serve your homemade churros immediately with your favorite dipping sauce, such as a rich chocolate sauce or creamy dulce de leche. Enjoy these crispy, sweet treats.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.